Hello?
Guy, don't do it.
Sorry.
I'm serious. Just leave it alone.
Who's this?
Who do you think this is? It's you. I'm you. 5 days from now.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm telling you, don't send that message. You're going to regret it.
I'll be fine. Relax.
I said the same thing, man.